This is a Dirt Tracks exclusive.
I had the opportunity recently to see how a power sports trailer is both designed and then built directly at the manufacturer, but you're gonna have to wait a couple of weeks for that TV episode to come out. However, in the meantime, while I was at Tow Tek Trailers, I also had the opportunity to do a full walkthrough and experience what their brand new toy hauler that they use as a showpiece is all about.
My name is Ron Waterworth and I'm the president of Tow Tek Manufacturing, and we're here in the lovely town of Mitchell, Ontario. We're standing here in front of our new 2026 Tow Tek toy hauler. This was custom built as our show trailer to go to shows across Ontario, trade shows, fairs, etc.
Now, one of the questions that I had to know was that if a customer could buy this exact same toy hauler.
Could they buy this exact trailer? Of course they could, with the exact layout that you see here. Or we could actually customize it to any length, any height, any width, any color. One sleeping area, two sleeping areas, so many levels of a kitchen area. We can do everything from propane. We have licensed propane staff, licensed electricians on staff. We can put propane, we can put diesel heating, we put air conditioning, we put one bedroom, we can put two bedrooms, his and hers USB chargers. There's so many things that we can add to this trailer for each individual's wants and needs. Tow Tek, the brand, was created back in 2012. I was running another company where we were actually bringing trailers in from the United States. We were bringing in American-built trailers, and after selling several lines of American-built trailers, we realized it was really shortcomings of most American trailers were A, the warranty was so short, trailers were being made cheaply, customers were leaving our facility, they were losing literally pieces of the trailer going down the highway. But I'd contact that American trailer company and they would literally say, well, you'll have to fix it yourself. And I just decided at that time, if we're going to be fixing all these problems and fixing American trailers, why don't we just build our own? So coming from a welding background myself, as well as my son, it was pretty easy to jump into this and just start fabricating our own trailers. How do we build them differently? A, we have a 5-year warranty, which is unheard of in the business. Every American trailer out there's got a 3-year warranty. As I said, I've sold American trailers before, so every American builder out there is bragging about how fast they can build a trailer, how fast they can weld a trailer, how fast they can put a trailer together. And when you step onto their manufacturing facilities and you see these trailers going together in 4 hours, which takes our guys literally 16 hours to weld something together, you can see how they go down the road and they're not welded very well. The fit and finish is terrible. They leak like a sieve, they're crooked, they're bent, they don't track properly, panels come apart. It just goes on and on. So we just decided to, why not build a product, put a little extra time into putting it together, build something for the customer that you can put your name on and that it's going to last for 5 years. We literally did a 5-year warranty, well, probably about 5 years ago. We started noticing that we weren't getting that many warranty repairs. We weren't having any issues other than everybody has issues. We all have problems that happen, but we ship a light out here or there or a license plate light or silly stuff. So I just said, why not just extend our warranty, because obviously our trailers stand the test of time. So we're actually talking within the next few months here of actually taking it to a 7-year warranty, just because in 7 years we really have not repaired that many products. So.
Now keep in mind that Tow Tek is a custom trailer manufacturer, and yes, you can get a basic trailer if that's what you're looking for, but when it comes to features, accessories, and upgrades, the sky is quite literally the limit.
We try to stay away from the small stuff now, just because we've had such great success with our toy haulers and our bigger items, our concession trailers and such. So we really we don't build really anything in a 6x12 or even hardly a 7x14 anymore. A true story, probably during COVID, we had I think 82 trailers on order on our books, and if you took the total amount of money for those 82 trailers, we were sitting somewhere around $8,500 to $8,800 on average per trailer. Since then, we've upped our game to where we're only building, the higher end toy haulers and insulated walls, white interiors, air conditioning, hydro awnings, and currently we have probably 65 units on order, and our average trailer on order right now is 26,000. So we just set the bar from here and brought it up to here, which has kind of taken us we have no competition. In what we build right now, there's nobody in Ontario, there's nobody in Canada building what we build any longer. So.
And to get a better idea of what custom really means, I had Ron give us a total walkthrough of their toy hauler.
A lot of little things in this trailer to show you. It started off, we wanted to get into the toy hauler market. So with the staff that we have on hand, we're very lucky, as I said, to have licensed gas fitters, licensed electricians, and every guy that works here is just honestly quite amazing. Everybody has their own little, everybody from Kylie, our cabinet girl, building cabinets, to Stephen J doing trim work. All my guys are very good at what they do. So it's nice when I can bring a crazy idea to them, but put it on the table, say, hey guys, we're going to build this toy hauler with a kitchen and a bathroom and a shower, and they get excited just like we do, you know. And our whole staff has that kind of attitude, is like, let's see how far we can push the envelope, let's see how nice of a product we can build. So on that note, let me show you what we build. One of the first things you'll notice with our toy hauler and all of our cargo trailers that are built, this is actually built off of our Transport Series cargo trailer. And all of our Transport Series trailers are built with 12-inch centers on the roof, 12-inch centers on the floor, 2x8 3/16 frames, 2x2 closed cross members, not angle iron. We do a recessed footwell just like a bus. So as you can see, we don't need to step under the trailer. You can step up into the trailer. I think we're one of the few people that do that. This trailer also features our spread axle formation. This trailer features two 5,000-pound axles. You'll see on a lot of trailers where they go down the road and the bottom of the frame's up here, and we've actually skirted this trailer, you know, to give it kind of that, call it a Corvette-y ground effects. So everything's nice and low to the ground. I just find it makes our trailer look, you know, a little better than a lot of the stuff that's out there. Spread axle gives you the separate fender flares, and it gives you a nice stance on the road, carrying your product down the highway, spread out on the axles. It really makes this trailer tow really, really nice. Anyways, on to the inside of the trailer. Come on in. We'll start at the front here, turn some lights on. So this trailer features a full bathroom, toilet, 40-gallon black water, 40-gallon gray water. And if you step in there, Graham, you'll see it, and it has a full man-sized shower. You do not have to duck down to wash the top of your head in this one. Features our Tow Tek flooring, which is a polypropylene floor. This trailer also features a propane furnace. This trailer also has a 12-volt refrigerator. We've got your full 3-piece stove with oven, microwave, propane hot water heater underneath. As you can see by the neatness and tidiness that everything's done amazingly well here. And one of the nicest features is this trailer actually features 800 watts of solar panel on the roof, and then we also have a lithium phosphate 280 amp hour battery with a 3,000 watt inverter. This trailer well run, 100% efficiently on its own, making it perfect for tailgating parties, camping, RVing. You can literally pull over in the side of a Walmart store and you've got full hot water, running water, heat, televisions, a 600 watt sound bar, 44-inch television, air conditioning, all the comforts of home. Lots of storage space. In the kitchen, we've got lots of storage space above the kitchen here. Over to my left, we've got a beautiful pantry with tons and tons of room. All with quick latch locking compartments that do not fly open going down the highway. Behind here, we have 3 zones of lighting. We have front, mid, and rear lighting. Bathroom lighting, our outside awning lightings are on the same switch. We actually have a blower switch in this model. We have air conditioning in the front. We have heat in the rear, but we can actually pull cold air out of the front of this trailer and blow it into the back area, the bedroom area of this trailer as well. So a little feature that we added. The trailer comes with a powered awning, insulated floor, 40 gallons of fresh water behind this wall here. As I said, there's also a 40-gallon black water tank, 40-gallon gray water tank. Yeah, everything that an RV would have. So moving back to the back of the trailer, this trailer is actually set up to hold a Harley Davidson. We have the bed area, we have a storage area for clothing and shoes, whatever else your wife decides to bring with her when you go camping. E-track in the floor. This trailer is actually set up to hold 2 bikes. As I said, television, sound bar. We also put a diesel heater in this trailer just to show off all the different things that we can add to a trailer. Like it could be propane heat, it could be diesel heat. You know, with enough batteries, you could have electric heat. At Tow Tek, really, the sky's the limit. You bring your design idea to us and tell us, you know, hey, Ron, I'm thinking of doing this. There's a good chance that we'll probably put your crazy idea to a test. So. And we'll move on next. This is the sleeping area. Unfortunately, I don't have it set up right now. This trailer is actually 96 inches inside, so when this bed is actually put together, it's basically the size of an Alaskan king because it's a 96-inch mattress by 6 feet wide, so ample sleeping room. We've designed this trailer in such a way that the table actually moves out onto the rear deck, which we will actually show you here. Going to the back of the trailer, we have our rear ramp gate deck, we'll call it. On this trailer being 7 feet tall, it gives us a nice 7-foot by 8-foot patio area. This table that's on the back deck here actually goes into 2 pockets. This table actually belongs on the inside of the trailer, so you can use it in the inside for eating in your kitchen area. Out on the ramp gate, you know, it gives you a patio to sit with your friends and enjoy some beverages. Also features our infamous spoiler. That we made this spoiler to go down to the bottom of the trailer. We were looking more for like a 57 Chevy style fin is what we were looking for, and quite happy with the way it turned out. Just recently we've started manufacturing our own canvas tents, our own canvas doorways. So this door with the windows and everything in it, vinyl closers, it can be added to any one of our Transport Series trailers. This deck can be added to any one of our Transport Series trailers, and actually we could probably add it even to our 7-wide 7x14, 7x16 Transcend. We could also add this tent and this ramp as well. Coming on some of our future trailers, we've got a bedroom tent that will close this entire area in, and this will become a bedroom with a zippered door from the back. We have bunks being manufactured, so we can put bunk beds on both sides of this trailer. For the young ones, like your kids and stuff, you can take them camping and they can actually sleep in their own separate bunks, where mom and dad can have the rear bedroom area. So yeah, there's a lot of great things coming at Tow Tek in the coming months here.
Ron and the team at Tow Tek Trailers are exceptionally passionate about what they do, and the product that they deliver, I haven't seen to this level anywhere else. So make sure you visit them online to see exactly what Tow Tek Trailers can do for you and just how custom they can make a trailer. Any shape, any size,